17 o funudau ar y cloc. Jack Wilson yn isel y tro hon. Ffigiad gan Whitmore yn ôl at Wilson. Wilson at Kai Whitmore. Whitmore allo gwneud lle am yr ergyd fi allan to posti bella. Y cyffyrddiad lleia oedd ei angen. A mi gymodd ei gyffyrddiad oedd ar un ochr ewyr y Barri. Jack Wilson chwipio hon at yr ochr bella o'r arbediad yn ei campus. Am arbediad gan y golwr. Patton. Oedd o ddim yn cam sefyll. Patton y croesiad. Mi oedd angen yr arbediad gan Zach Jones. Oedd honna yn arbediad o'r safon ucha. Michael George edrych am Molly Hulbert. Hulbert yn ôl. Cyfle fan hyn i Jordan Cotterill, yr eilydd. Cotterill ar ergyd! Arbediad campus unwaith eto. Gan y gŵr o Sela Newydd, Zach Jones. Bale yn cael ei dwyn, mae'n gyfle fan hyn am yr hydiad gan Hawkins. Hawkins i fewn yn dani o, gath o'i lorio. Mae'n gic o'r smotin. Dan Hawkins yn cael ei lorio. Kai Whitmore yn herio Michael Lewis. Whitmore, Lewis yn ei hanfedu. Ac yna Whitmore. Man bach. Oedd hi'n haws sgorio yn fanna, dwi'n meddwl. Sut ar wyneb y ddaear y methodd Kai Whitmore honna. Dyma Brusesi. Na Brusesi, codi'r bel i fyny'r cwrt o'r cyfle. I Ricky Watts. A'r arbediad gan Lewis. Ddylia fod o di sgorio yn y fan yna. Curtis MacDonald. Disgyn i Ollie Hulbert. Hulbert at Lucas. Lucas at Michael George. George yn chwipio'r bel a mae gefn y rwyd. Fi'n credu mae gol i'w rwyd i hun oedd hi. Ond Michael George fydd yn cymryd y clod. Whitmore. Whitmore, rhediad cry gan Kai Whitmore. Whitmore yn dal i fynd. Rio Dyer, Dyer, croesiad at yr ochr bella'r peniad i gan y roedd ar Rhys a Brusesi. Sydd i dychwelyd i Barc Jenner. A mae o di sicrhau pwynt yn erbyn i gyn glwb.
Jonathan, gotta be tough to take that one.
Yeah, definitely, to be leading the game up until the 95th minute, to then concede a late equaliser. Yeah, bitterly disappointing, and a game we felt we had in our grasp to win. But yeah, really disappointed to give away those, or drop 2 points in the end.
Credit to the boys that kept going. I thought we played quite well this evening, but you know, fine margins. Obviously we miss a penalty, it's one of those things, and then to go one goal down was disappointing, but the boys dug in and kept going and got a point that I think we deserved.
Two huge games coming up, Aberystwyth away and then Colwyn Bay here. You've got to pick the boys up now.
Yeah, you know, we'll feel happy with the level of performance over the majority of the game, and like I said, created multiple chances and half chances, led the game right until the last moment, so positivity wise we're not going to be in search of that because the level of performance was good.
Was it a fair result in the end?
I'm sure Steve will say no, you know, when you concede that late, it always feels like a defeat, but for us, yeah, I think so. We had a number of chances. Mikey Lewis made a great save off a set piece first half, he made another save second half, and then we finally got on the end of a cross, whereas two had gone across the face of the goal in the second half as well.
And you're still in pole position for that 7th position?
We know how tough it's going to be between ourselves, Penabont and Barri, you know, between the three of us, and all we can do is keep picking points up along the way, and you know, the other game was a draw, I believe, tonight, so it's as we were.